Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute. So I'm going to do my best to capture some entry points and exit points. So we will see how the day unfolds. I will keep you updated. All right, I got some shares here. Sorry I missed the entry point. I wasn't paying attention. I was actually looking at an email. So I picked up just an original allotment at 32.25. So I'll look to scale out here or build a bigger position. We'll have to see how things unfold here, but I really do like that first entry point. So let's see how this all unfolds. So I got the 32 15s and 32 10s. So we'll see if it can pull back some more here. So I got those, and then for these final 200, what I'm going to do is just put in a stop and go those slightly above the round number of 32. So now it's just a question of not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make. So if it can break, there we go. So I'm going to move that down to 93. And if it can break down through 80, but it's looking like I'm going to get stopped out here. And I'm all out there at 31.96. So $103 on my first trade. Let's see what else I can find. Looking to start building a position here at 88. Actually, now looking at it, I'm going to go 88.69 on the first entry point there. So there we go, 88.69. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. This would just be an initial entry point. So let's see if it can make a move up there. So I will keep you updated on that. Okay, we could potentially get an entry point here if it can break through 50. So let's see what happens. All right, pulling back. Very quick mover, so I'm going to try my best to capture an entry point, but like I said, it moves fast, so no promises that I actually capture the entry. All right, looking to potentially start a position here. Just starting with 100 shares. Very small. Reason for that is CTRP. I like to trade this one, but you have to respect it because it can move. It's got a wide spread. So you got to just start very small. So sure, I'm not going to make a ton just starting out at 100 shares, but I'm keeping my risk all under control via the position sizing. So that's why just looking to start off with 100 shares. We'll see if I get filled or not. But that's the current stock that I'm watching. Okay, coming up on a break of 89 here on LLY. So I have an order to short at 89.25. But now it pulls back as soon as I bring up the video. So, all right, I'll keep you updated. Shoot, just missed that one. Got that 100 share at 65.30 or 65.50, and I made 19 cents on it via the spread. So, but like I noted, I'm not going to make a huge amount of money when you're just starting off with 100 shares, but I'll take 19 cents for a very quick amount of work. But put another order out there at 65.75, and we'll see if that can get filled, but I'm still looking. It is 9:56 a.m., so basically 30 minutes into the day, and now I've gone into a slow period. It started off very nice, and now I just can't find anything, and that's just the reality of the market. If you watch a video from a couple of days ago, I made like $1,300 in 3 minutes. Now I've been, the market's been open for 56 minutes, and I've made $122. So by no means am I implying that every single morning you're going to have $1,300 in a matter of a few minutes. That's just not how it works. You just have to take setups as they come. And right now I'm just looking for a setup. While I'm thinking of it, one of the big questions I get is, hey Clay, how are you finding these setups? How are you finding these stocks to trade? So what I've done, because it's just such a common question, is I put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to find these sorts of setups, that I find interesting. So if you're interested, if you think this could add some value to you as a trader, then go ahead and click right there, and I will email it to you. Good risk versus reward transaction, right? It's totally free, so you have little risk. But hey, if it really works out for you, then a lot of upside potential. So give it a try. And actually, the more I think about it, I've kind of been on a little streak of doing shorter type live trade videos. So I think I'm going to do that again. Just keep it really short. And for those people out there that necessarily don't want the 10, 12, 13-minute ones, I'm just going to do another one where I keep it right around 5 minutes. So I caught some good trades, and sure, it wasn't anything gigantic, but you at least got to see some trades go down. So any other questions or whatever, you can leave those in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please click that like button. Thanks for watching, and get out there and trade without emotion.